When you look at your laptop specs, you might see letters like these at the end of the processor: H, U, P, and more. Most people focus on the numbers, but those letters at the end are the real secret to your computer's performance. They can completely change how your computer performs, how good it runs, and how long your battery lasts. You see, two processors might look almost identical in name, but if one ends with an H and the other with a U, they're built for totally different jobs. So this is how it really works. H stands for high performance, great for gaming laptops and perfect for doing heavy work, but they use more power and generate more heat, which also makes them drain battery faster. U stands for ultra low power, designed for thin and light laptops. Great for battery life, not as fast for gaming. These are great for students. HX is basically an even higher wattage version of H. Think top-of-the-line gaming laptops that prioritize raw power over battery. P is kind of a middle ground, more powerful than U, but slimmer and more efficient than H. You'll see these in Ultrabooks, where they try to balance speed and battery life. Now, when it comes to AMD processors, it's almost the same. H also stands for high performance. HS means high performance, but slightly more power efficient. And U is also ultra-low power for thin laptops. So why does this matter? Imagine buying a laptop thinking it's fast, only to realize you got a U model built for battery life, not gaming, or getting an H model and wondering why your battery dies so quickly. Next time you're shopping for a laptop, don't just look at the number in the name. Check the letter. It's the shortcut to knowing exactly what your processor is designed for.